Hi, Robert Hartline here with CallProof. I got an invite for you. Monday, 10 Central. It's called the Sales Hustle Club. What is the Sales Hustle Club, Robert? Well, it's where you go to learn the best tips and tricks on using CallProof so you can see more opportunities, so you can close more business, but also to hear the stories from individuals just like you that are facing adversity, facing rejection every single day. But you know what they do? They keep going on. They keep pushing on. They keep talking to strangers. They modify their overcoming objections. They change their strategy. They change their pitch. And they learn together by sharing with you. And that's what I hope to do with the Sales Hustle Club. You are invited to learn, to be motivated, to be inspired, to try harder in what we do in the craft of selling. It's a beautiful thing, folks, because things that come out of this top hole in my face go out to the universe, and things kind of happen, and people see that I provide value, and they buy from me, and they tell others, and I want that for you. There is so much for us to experience, and by using our words in the right way, at the right time, in the right place, you're going to get more business. And I hope to show you that on Monday. Join the Sales Hustle Club.